So with this video, I wanted to go over how to simplify radicals using your TI-83 or 84 plus calculator. So just jump right into it. If I have the square root of 60 and I pull up my calculator, I'm going to go to y equals and type in 60. And because I'm doing square root, I'm going to divide it by x squared. Then I'm going to go to second and then hit graph. And this is where I need to go down to where I see decimals. There is no whole number in front of the decimal. So it's important that you do that. So here's my zeros here. So once I see that, I can now scroll back up to the first pair of clean numbers that I see, which is the 2 and the 15. So then I'll come back and my answer will be the 2 will be on the x column. The 2 will be on the outside of the square root. And the y will be on the inside of the square root, which is the 15. So the answer should be 2, the square root of 15. All right, let's give these next ones a try. So let's clear it out. So I have 252 divided by x squared. Second graph. I see some decimal. I see some whole numbers in front of the decimal, so I'm going to go down. And now I see the 0, so I'm going to go back up to the first pair of clean numbers that I see. And that's going to be this 6 and 7. Now the reason why I say go down to the decimal part, because I want to make sure that we're not grabbing the 6 and the 60. I mean the 2. Sorry, excuse me, the 2 and the 63 or the 3 and the 28. I want to make sure I get it simplified to the fullest. So that's why I go down to where I see those decimals and come back up to the pair of clean numbers I see, which will be 6 and 7. So 6 square root of 7. Now here I see there's a cube root. So if we're doing cube root, instead of x squared, it will actually be x to the third. So just make sure we switch that to a 3. So second graph, everything's still the same. You can actually see the decimal, the 0 point decimals here. So just go back up to the first pair of clean numbers will be the 3 and the 6. So how to write it? Do not forget your cube. So the cube root, oops, make this a little cleaner. So the cube root with the 3 going on the outside and the 6 staying on the inside. So 3 times the cube root of 6. And the very last one, you can probably already guess that we're going to be using x to the 4th. Second graph. And here's the zeros I see. So I'm going to go up to the first pair, which is the 5 and the 2. So the 4th root of 5 with the on the outside and the 2 here. So 5 times the 4th root of 2. So hopefully that helps you simplify these radical expressions.